We provide a washing machine at Treetops House, and you'll find it located in the kitchen just to the left of the condenser dryer. The controls are quite simple to use. As you can see, it is on the off position. So we just turn this and you'll see that display lights up. This tells you the temperature, and you can change the temperature by pushing the temperature button. As you can see, you can cycle through various settings. Most often people use 40 degrees, and we also provide washing tablets for you, which I'll show you where they are. So to open up the machine, you just pull on this, it will open up, put your washing in, and then you'll need to find the washing tablets. The washing tablets are provided underneath the sink, just in here, and they are located in this tub, say laundry. So you just take one of those, and all you do is pop it in the machine with your washing and make sure you shut the door firmly. You hear it click. You then start the machine by pushing start. This will start the machine, and then this will tell you how long it takes. If you do wish to change the spin speed before you start the machine, you just push the spin button here, and that changes and reduces it down. There are instructional guides at the end of this video to do with the manual, and you're free to watch these following this video. Thank you.